Hello viewers. Meet again with me on Malto channel. This time I will explain about benefits of areca or betel nut and side effects. At first glance the areca or betel nut tree has the same shape as the coconut tree, but when looked carefully it looks very different. Areca or betel nut is a kind of palm plant, has a high stem to reach the height of 25 meters. The trunk is slim and straight up. The leaves are above the base of the stem, is similar to the coconut tree, but the difference is shorter stems of coconut leaves and have different leaves than coconut, of course. In addition, this tree also has fruit. Areca fruit grows similar to the coconut fruit, will appear on the tree with roots similar to the coconut fruit, but the size of the betel nut is smaller than the coconut. This tree can grow in tropical environments. For example, this tree is very popular if on the 17th of August, which coincided with the Day of Independence of Indonesia, people usually take a tree trunk to be made a means for the race that is climbing. Areca or betel nut tree is a race that uses a tree trunk Pinang smeared with oil, and then people try to climb Pinang. The slick is to take the prize over the top of the stem. There are no rules of climbing. Areca nut must be pack or not. Some people choose to use bamboo instead of areca nut, but the use of bamboo is very risky because the bamboo stem must have segments and it can cause injury to the participants climbing Pinang. Better choice of Pinang stem because the stem no segment and smooth. Pinang is also often in use by the community as the gutters. How to remove the middle of the Pinang and place the appropriate place: be a water gutter made of Pinang. Besides, betel fruit itself is as one of the ingredients to make betel nut. This betel nut has been known since ancient times by our ancestors. Seeing its functions is whether areca nut has health benefits. There is, because in betel nut there are compounds called arcadine, arcolidine, guvacoline, glycine and others. Here are the various benefits of betel nut. Benefits of areca nut for humans. Number 1. Overcoming dry mouth. The person who crosses his mouth usually is not dry. This is caused by the performance of the areca nut that makes the salivary glands become out continuously. This saliva will prevent people from developing diseases such as dysentery and Sjogren's syndrome. Number 2. Strengthens teeth and gums. Slice some betel nut, then chew the sliced areca nut. It can strengthen teeth and gums. Number 3. Drug worms. Prepare a quarter of fruit areca nut, tumulawak half finger size, half finger turmeric. All these ingredients are grabbed to matten and then strain the water and drink. Water content of this drink can overcome the worm disease. This is in use also by chicken farms, for chicken breeders are not intestinal and can maintain the production of eggs because it is free with worms. Number 4. Treating wounded skin. Find young areca nut meat, then mash until smooth. Paste the results of this collision to the wounded skin. Do it gradually and continue. The wound will quickly heal. Number 5. Rabun matter. Chewing the flesh of the areca nut tree in its water can overcome the myopic eye. Number 6. Tighten the vagina. According to Diane Gantinayan, Herbalife said that the fruit that has a slightly acidic taste of sponge is said if very good for vaginal recovery after childbirth. The way to consume also includes easy cooking of betel nuts and then filtering the water and then drinking sustainably after delivery. Number 7. Increase vitality. In addition to tightening the vagina, areca nut was also able to increase the ability or strength of men. In addition, it can stimulate hormones to increase sex drive because areca nut is a compound that can improve the performance of the heart. Makes this possible. But must be observed: men consume areca nut must be limited because it is harmful to the body if too excessive. side effects. But keep in mind to consume areca nut fruit must be stopped immediately if the illness has been healed, because in belief this fruit has poison in it. Excessive consumption will be harmful to the body in believing these contents can make people have cancer. Besides that, niri activity using betel nut in it if excessive will cause anemia to the perpetrator, therefore niri activity must be kept away by pregnant mother. In addition, side effects include worsening the condition of people who have high blood pressure or low and make the heart rate is not irregular. Arachina and arcolina content is what makes areca have poison in it, and both of these compounds are very addictive. Therefore, if the illness must be lost, must immediately stop consuming the Pinang. Indonesia as a country that has many areca nut trees make this tree as one of the export materials with the right destinations such as India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Nepal. Areca nut that is exported usually in dry conditions can be either whole seed or ping that has been split. In the country itself, areca itself is also in buy as a basic ingredient to make snacks such as candy. Pinang fruit, if cooked reddish or yellow, green color of areca nut fruit is not yet ripe. The shape of the fruit itself oval like egg or coconut but small. In addition to Indonesia as a country sender of betel nut, this other country like Malaysia and Thailand also sell to other country. In addition to being a drug, areca tree itself in planting trees to make ornamental trees. Of course, to be a large-sized ornamental tree is usually planted in parallel straight in the yard, because this tree includes a strong tree to grow, and this plant can also be utilized from the stem until the fruit becomes not in vain if the planting of areca nut trees in the make as a tree decorative on the home page as well as inside the house. In addition to being a decoration of midrib or an old areca nut will usually fall and dry, the midrib can be used to as a seat or toy children by sitting in the midrib and then pull the petiole to move. This stem can also be used as the basic material of various woven arts, but must be done though first. Do not forget to like and subscribe this video, to provide other good information. See you later. Thank you.